Hi everyone, it's Amber and I have a really quick video here. I am going to be selling here on my channel some spring mystery grab boxes. And let me tell you, those of you who have gotten my grab boxes before, you know they're jam-packed full of amazing things, and these are just that way. They are jam-packed full of beautiful spring items that you can, most of the stuff you can use year round. Some of it is geared toward Easter, but a lot of it, like probably most of it, is going to be that you can use year round. It's all brand new, never used, still, you know, brand new. I'm going to package it up very nicely. It's going to be anything from scrapbook paper, beautiful scrapbook paper, stationery, and stationery covers, you know, paper clips, pens, pencils, list pads, sticky notes. There's going to be washi, ephemera, die cuts, tags, all, you know, anything you can think of plus more. So these grab boxes, they're mystery. They are going to be $50 shipped, and that's a priority mail, medium flat rate box. So they're going to be filled with lots of goodies, and it's going to be US and PayPal only through the friends and family option. And please remember that if you do contact me and want one, to please remember to pay promptly. But anyways, if you're interested, please email me in the email that I leave in the description below. It's US and PayPal only. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks everyone. Bye.